In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a PDF from Adobe Scan to WhatsApp. First, open the Adobe Scan app on your phone. Once you are on the Home tab, you will see all the PDF files saved in your Adobe Scan app. Tap on the Share icon on the PDF file that you want to send. After that, select WhatsApp from the available options. You will then see your WhatsApp contacts listed. Tap on the contact to whom you want to send the PDF file. Once you have selected the contact, simply tap the Send button. As you can see, the file will be sent as a PDF, and the recipient will be able to open, read, and download it directly through WhatsApp. If you want the file to open normally instead of opening with Acrobat Reader, there's another method you can use. Open Adobe Scan again and tap on the three dots next to the file you want to send. From the options listed, tap on the first option, which is Copy to Device. After that, select a location on your device where you want to save the PDF and tap Save. Once the file is saved to your device, open WhatsApp and tap on the attachment icon. From the list of options, tap on Documents. Then, tap on Browse Documents and select the PDF file you just saved. Finally, tap on the Send button to share it. This time, the file will open normally when the recipient opens it. And this is how you can send a PDF from Adobe Scan to WhatsApp.